welcome to my live. Roxanne is rocking. That's R-O-C-K-I-N. Yes, this is a Saturday morning, and I am getting some work done. Let me just turn this camera around. Yes. They are cutting down one of these mango trees. Don't be mad, y'all, because this mango hadn't grown in some years. It was dead. Couldn't have nobody to maintain it. As you see, they are cutting this tree down this morning. Yes, guys. And it is going to rain. Oh, this tree is being cut down as well. This is a June plum tree. Yeah. Guys, that's just too much. Too much. This tree is not going to be cut, y'all. Don't worry about it. This mango tree right here is not going to be cut. Don't worry. Don't worry. And the same guys who's cutting will be cutting. They're the same ones that cut my grass. So as you see, that was done last week. They might have to come back. Yeah, they might have to come back. And you know, when you cut down trees here in St. Lucie County, you have to. They'll come pick up the branches and stuff, but it has to be cut no longer than 4 feet. It has to be cut no longer than 4 feet. Otherwise, they will not pick it up. They will not pick it up. Period. So, you know, I'm out here watching because I need to know that it's 4 feet. I don't want this grass and stuff left. Yeah, guys, it is about to rain, honey. And I have a brand new, phone. Whoa. Now he's about to cut this off. Yeah, see? Let me bring it up. Let me bring it closer. So you guys can see. Ooh. See, he's gonna have to cut it all the way down and then burn it. That tree been there for years, that mango tree. But for some years it hasn't grown. And everybody was like, cut the dead branches off, Well, listen, I ain't got time to cut no dead branches off. I can't cut the dead branches off. I don't want to cut the dead branches off. I just want the whole tree cut. You know? And besides, you see where the tree was at, right? And once I had this driveway redone to a circular driveway, as you see, it's circular, the driveway. Comes around in a circle, right? So, starting to cut this tree down. This is a June plum tree, y'all. Wow. And they know how to cut these trees down. Boom. You see that? Yeah, you know, before he started cutting, I made sure that they knew how many feet to cut and not to exceed that that length, because the city will not pick these things up if it's longer than that. You see right there, they're gonna cut this because it has to be 4 feet or less. Now you see he's cutting the branch down. That stuff is a lot of work, and they didn't charge me that much. I'm gonna tell you guys now. I just want to make sure that it's cut at 4 feet. Now, the city, the city comes at the end of every month to pick this up. So I'm right on time. I'm right on time. Otherwise, if this was at the beginning of the month, this stuff will be sitting here. It will be sitting there until the end of the month. Look, see, he know where to cut that joint. Boom. Boy. Guys, that sound a little hoarse. You know why? This girl was having a good time last night. Me and one of my sisters from another mister. So this is the back. They are trimming this mango tree back here because it is hitting the power line in the back of my house. Yes, guys, yes, guys. Oops. I don't know why this thing is so, but good morning on this Saturday morning. Yes, they have to cut some of these trees down and trim some of these trees because you see that the power line. Hold on, at that guy. You see the power lines there? Yeah, it could be very dangerous. It could cause a fire. So this mango tree got to be trimmed, and it should have been trimmed. It should have been maintained, but of course, if you want something done, and you guys know how it go. If you want something done, you gotta do it yourself, right? If you want something done, you gotta do it yourself. So whoop, there it is. That might be my next thing. For the women. A question for the women. See that ladder? I let them use my ladder. Because their ladder over there that's against that tree, of course, wasn't tall enough. He said he had another ladder in his truck, but this ladder right here is more durable. And, yeah. So let's see, guys. See how they doing it. He has to cut it so it won't hit those power lines. So far, look at all this. And they have to take all this and take it to the front of the house. This tree right here, Chinese plum tree, no, it's not going to be cut. You know? Maybe I'll just ask them to just cut those few branches up there. I don't know. We'll see. Now he has to go outside the fence. Come a little closer. Yeah. little more of that top. Yes, guys, this is the finishing touch. As you see, that's where the tree was. No more. Yes, that's where the tree was. That's one side. Let's go around on the other side. And this is where the June plum was. He has to cut that down some more when he comes back. No more June plum. I still have the mango though. Don't worry, guys. I still have 2 mango trees. That's good enough because, like I said, you know, me and my kids don't eat with so much mangoes, right? Come on. And give away. So, it's a lot of mangoes on this tree. Oh my gosh. This one that I was waiting for fell. Let me get this mango.